Alright, you guys hear that? What is that sound? I don't get it. It's been multiple people cannot figure out what that clicking noise is. It's the left rear from a 2001 Lexus IS300. Why is it making that sound? Tell me what it is and you'll be awesome. I will thank you tremendously. So retarded. Wow. Feeling like a clown. It's mostly like right turns for some reason. Watch. See, you didn't like that. Alright, braking. Take another right turn. It's retarded. I need help. Took, 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 took. Time for some project moves.